This is Luna. The only reason she comes is for the toys.
He's very excited. Look at all of your toys. I think we need to go through all of what Luna has found. How about you, Luna? How are you? Okay, we have one giant bone because, we have one giant bone. I brought another giant bone for Missy, which is her sister. And this is what keeps happening. Oh, here's Missy. Hi. I see you like tiny squiggies. And you have this bone. What else you got in it? What else? What else you got in there? It looks like you got one ball. You got one ball. We have a squeaky ball. Oh, look at this one. Is this all of your stuff in your fort? Yeah? And then her sister is waiting at the door for the mom. Yeah. Yeah. I've been waiting for you. I've been wondering when you're going to show up. Wait, Luna. You beat me up with it. What's up with that? You beat me up. You even found the tiny one. Are you chilling out with your collection? You are. You look very proud of yourself.